Good afternoon. It's Chef Steve, and today we'll be preparing this lovely lamb. Doing the dishes tonight is my lovely bride, Lori Templeman. A couple of tips. Before you prepare the lamb, you'll want to take it out of the refrigerator and let it come to room temperature. That way, the lamb is equal temperature throughout. It'll give you a lot better cook. Now we're going to begin with the sear. We'll sear all sides for a few minutes, just get that nice brown color, and then it'll go to the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. We'll want an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Then we'll want it to rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before we carve.
First things first, make sure you have plenty of wine on hand.
Now we've got our pan nice and hot, and we're going to sear all sides of the lamb. We want to create a nice sear on all sides before we put it in the oven. 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll use our meat thermometer to make sure we've got the desired temperature. And again, we'll want it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before we carve. Now we've had a couple of minutes, and we've got a nice sear going on the lamb. We'll flip them over and do the same on this side. We've got a nice sear on our lamb, and now we'll be going to the oven, again 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes.
Goes great with broccoli puff.
So we should be pretty close. Let's check our lamb. $145. Now we'll rest. Let's bring it over here to the cutting board. And we'll let the lamb rest for about 10 or 15 minutes. Lamb has been resting for about 15 minutes, and we'll carve it. Now we like about a quarter-inch slice. Look at that nice color. Looks like we've got a good result.
And here's the end result, a nice plate of lamb. Goes great with broccoli puff and mashed potatoes.
Bon appetit.
Cheers!
Let's eat.